Can Tylenol cause night terrors? If you or someone you know has experienced night terrors after taking Tylenol, you're not alone. Let's explore this issue to understand what might be happening. Night terrors are intense episodes of fear or terror during sleep, often accompanied by screaming or flailing. They occur during non-REM sleep and can last up to 40 minutes. While the exact cause of night terrors is not fully understood, several factors can trigger them, including certain medications. Tylenol, which contains acetaminophen, is a common over-the-counter medication used to reduce fever and relieve pain. However, there have been reports of people experiencing night terrors after taking it. For instance, a parent shared that their son, who is now 21, cannot take Tylenol because it gives him extremely vivid and traumatic night terrors. This reaction was consistent even when he took cold medication containing acetaminophen years later. While medical literature does not widely report this specific reaction, there are some clues about how acetaminophen might affect sleep. A study found that acetaminophen did not significantly disrupt sleep patterns compared to a placebo, but it did show slight, albeit non-significant, sleep disruption. This disruption could potentially contribute to the occurrence of night terrors in some individuals. Another case report describes a pediatric patient who experienced sleep disruption and proprioceptive delirium after taking acetaminophen. The symptoms included altered dopamine levels and imbalances in prostaglandin levels, which could affect sleep quality and potentially lead to night terrors. In summary, while Tylenol is not commonly listed as a cause of night terrors in medical literature, there are anecdotal reports and some studies suggesting that it could be a trigger for certain individuals. If you or your child experience night terrors after taking acetaminophen, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action and to explore alternative medications if necessary. Always be cautious with medications and monitor any changes in sleep patterns or other side effects.